Collaclot is made from chicken collagen and it's activated by contact with blood. The active ingredient in Collaclot is collagen, which binds to the receptors in damaged cells in the blood vessels. This activates a major cascade of chemical reactions throughout the body to provide a scaffold for blood to start clotting. This is different from other hemostats, as it not only helps to clot the bleed via pressure, but also by promoting and increasing the body's natural reaction. It also works in extreme conditions and is fully biodegradable. It's ideal for a range of wounds from catastrophic bleeding to minor cuts. Although made from chicken collagen, the risk of allergic reaction is very unlikely, as the intensive diafiltration process during manufacture removes most of the allergens. Collaclot is not affected by external temperatures. It can be used in temperatures from -95 to +55 degrees C, unlike other products with a much narrower effective window. Once you apply Collaclot, it's advised to apply direct pressure onto the product until the bleeding stops. However, you can use additional assistance in the form of a tourniquet to help stop the bleed. When you use Collaclot, you should only need to use one sponge on each wound. You can easily tear the sponge if you want to and put it onto different wounds, and you can pack the wound if needed. There are two sizes of product available, meaning you can tailor the needs of the animals you may be around. Collaclot does not cause an exothermic reaction, so it should not cause harm to the animal. It doesn't matter which way up you place Collaclot on the wound, as it's all effective. Unlike other hemostats, Collaclot clots blood and doesn't just stop bleeding. Collaclot is vital for every pet owner in every pet first aid kit. You can buy Collaclot direct from Pro Trainers Europe on our supplies site at firstaidonline.co.uk, or contact us for more information on supplies@protrainings.uk or phone 01206 805 359.